Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can import fonts into Filmora, so let's get right into it. Now for this, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download a font. I downloaded a free font from Envato, so you can use that if you want to, but pretty much what you're going to need is these here formats. Have a OTF, DTF, and WOFF. Not sure which of these you're going to need, but I'll just go over and try one. And yeah, once you have your font, you're going to need to locate your Filmora folder. In my case, it's in App Data Roaming Wondershare. However, for you, it might be in Documents, completely dependent on how you set everything up. So I'm just going to go into the Filmora folder. Over here, I'm going to go into Download, and then I'm going to go into Fonts. From here, as you can see, we already have two TTF files. I'm just going to add the inspiration TTF to this, and I'm going to double click on it, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to click install, and as you can see, it is currently installing that font, and this should now be installed. Let's just wait until it loads fully. However, this should be pretty much it, and now I'm pretty sure it is installed. So I'm going to go over into Filmora, and I'm going to delete this title, and I'm going to just use this text right over here, and then I'm going to find the font options for this, and as you can see, you have them here, and I'm going to scroll down until I get to the eyes, since the font is named Inspiration, and it should be somewhere around here. There we go, there's Impact, this is Informal Roman, Ink. For some reason, I don't have Inspiration, even though I should. So let me go over and try again. Whoops. There we go. Let me go over and try OTF as well. This might fix it. You might need to rerun or just refresh Filmora. In my case, I didn't do it, but it might be what's needed. Let me try that, and I'm going to try this one as well. However, I'm pretty sure this won't do anything. And yeah, it just doesn't. So let me go into Filmora again, try again, and find the font. And it should be somewhere here. There we go. And it looks like it still isn't here, but that's pretty much how you are supposed to do it. Maybe you're just supposed to refresh this and then it'll work. Let me just try and search for it. So Inspiration, no results found, but that doesn't matter. Your font should be installed, and once you reload everything, that should fix everything. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.